Now in statistics, understanding the standard error is very important. Now in previous section, we explained what is the population mean, and population mean was represented by mu. Now if we take different set of samples, I'm saying, repeating, it's a set of sample, not only one sample, second sample, third sample and all. And I'm taking set of sample, let's say S1, set of sample S2, set of sample S3, dot dot dot, let's say S5. These are the set of samples, and I'm trying to find out their average. That means what? Let's say I have taken sample size this, average, another sample of 10 this, another sample of 10 this, another sample of 10 data points are this, right? So in this case, I'm getting x1 bar, x2 bar, x3 bar, and dot 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 x5 bar. Correct? So these are nothing but the sample means, right? Set of samples means, right, from the population we have taken. Now calculating mu ideally is very impossible, as I said. So to calculate the average like this, we make some error, right? So x1 bar to x5 bar, it is very close to mu value, but it may be or may not be the accurate value. But x1 to x5 bar, no one is equal, but ideally they should be equal. So in that case, what happened? We are making some error. That means we are not calculating the exact value, which is exactly the mu value, right? So standard error is a mean of variances. I repeat, it is the measure of variances in the sample mean calculation. Now what happens, the variance? That means standard error is nothing but it is the variation of the sample means. Is it clear? And the formula is nothing but standard error is standard deviation divided by root n, and that is the standard error. Now what happens if I call that, let's take an example that mu equals to 150 and sample mean for x1 bar I have got 130, this is 140, this is let's say 145, and let's say 149. Then for this standard error of x1 bar, or I can say standard error I'm representing is standard error 1 means for this, right, is standard deviation divided by root n. So if n equals to 10, then this value is always equal, and it will be directly proportional to the standard deviation value of each and every sample data set. Is it clear? So this is nothing but the concept of standard error.